Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss about energy, law of conservation of energy, different types of energy and their interconversion. So the energy is basically it is the ability to perform various type of functions. Similar to the law of conservation of mass, law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created or destroyed, but it can transfer from one form of energy to the another form. Now there are different types of energy: mechanical, thermal, nuclear, chemical, electromagnetic, sonic, gravitational, kinetic, potential and ionization energy. In today's video, I will give you brief information related to these types of energy. So the first type of energy is the mechanical energy. Basically, it is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy that we have discussed in earlier video. This type of energy is basically obtained when the object at motion or it's changing its position. For example, suppose a person is cycling, so it will have both kinetic energy as well as potential energy. Kinetic energy or potential energy may be increased or decreased, but mechanical energy will remain the same in all the situation. Heat energy is also called as thermal energy. Basically, it is related to the temperature of the object. For example, a hot cup of a coffee possessed heat energy. Now the third type of energy is the chemical energy, which is released at the time of various chemical reactions. This type of energy is basically associated with the bond formation among the chemical compound. For example, energy possessed by various natural gases and the biomass are the example of chemical energy. We are already familiar with the fourth type of energy, that is the electrical energy. Electrical energy is generated when there is a flow of electrons. Means the electrons, when they get kinetic energy, electrical energy is produced. Electrical energy is directly proportional to the speed of electrons. For example, electricity produced at the time of battery usage or lightning at the thunderstorm are the example of electrical energy. Talking about the light energy, it is also called as radiant energy and electromagnetic energy. Basically, it is defined as the energy due to the light or electromagnetic waves. The simplest example is the energy that we getting from the sun is an example of light energy. Now the very next energy is the nuclear energy that is present inside the nucleus of the atom. This type of energy is released when there is a combination or separation of the nucleus, and it generally happen in the fission and fusion reactions. In the nuclear power plants, some radioactive metals are used to convert their nuclear energy into electrical energy. Next type of energy is the sonic energy, which is produced by the vibration of the object. This type of energy flows through the substance in the form of sound waves. It is also called as sound energy. Example, various musical instruments which produce beautiful sound is called as the sonic energy. Now the very next type of energy is called as the ionization energy. Basically, it is the type of energy that bind the electrons with the nucleus. Ionization energy is released when we eject the electron from the shells of the atom. If we remove one electron, the amount of energy that released, it is called as the first ionization energy. If we remove the second electron from the same atom, then it is said to be second ionization energy or second ionization enthalpy. Now we will discuss some of the energy conversion. The first example is windmill. In this case, the wind energy is converted into mechanical energy that is further converted into electrical energy. Second example are the solar panels. With the help of solar panels, the solar energy from the sunlight is converted into electrical energy. In the thermal power plant, the chemical energy is converted into heat energy, then mechanical energy, and further it is converted into electrical energy. In the geothermal plant, the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy that is converted into electrical energy. In the nuclear power plant, the nuclear energy is converted into mechanical energy that is further converted into electrical energy. Let's discuss energy conversion in some of the devices. Like in the electrical bulb, the electrical energy is converted into heat energy and light energy. Second example is the fan. The electrical energy is converted into wind energy. In electrical heater, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. As a homework question, you have to find out which type of energy conversion is observed in the case of hydropower plant. Find it out and comment the answer. I hope you have wonderfully understood the concept of energy, conservation of energy, types of energy, and their interconversion in different appliances and various situations. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for the latest updates.